Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set a trailing stop loss right here in NinjaTrader. And if you want to do this, first of all, we select right here new, and then we do chart, and then we select right here what we want to do. So let's do the ES June the 26th, and then we do OK. Just an example, it doesn't matter which we want to use right here. And then right here, what you need to know that if you select right here the chart trader and you select here chart trader, you will get this nice order panel right here. Then after that, you select right here the account that you want to use. So we want to use this account. Select right here the order quantity. And now we need to create at ATM strategy a nice custom right here. So what we're going to do is select custom, then you will find right here the order quantity. Now we already give them a 1, and then we can do this in price, ticks, pips, or percentage, what you want to do. And right now, what we're going to do is if you go right here to stop strategy and we click on custom, you get here the option to select right here the auto trail. So what we can do is we need to decide right now if you want to do a 1-step, 2-step, or 3-step. And then you can decide right here what you want to do. So let's do right now a step 1. And then you can decide right here which trailing stop loss you want to use. So you can fill in right here now. Let's do 10 or let's do 5 right here. 1 frequency is fine. No, maybe 2. And then right now, if you do right here, OK, and we do OK again, we created ourselves a order right now with a trailing stop loss. So this is how you can create a trailing stop loss right here on NinjaTrader. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.